Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Gmail account. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, open Gmail. If you are creating the Gmail account for the very first time on your smartphone, then the interface will be a bit different. In that case, all you have to do is to click on the sign in option and then create the account. But just in case if you are seeing the interface like this, then what you need to do is to click on your profiles icon. And here you will see this option, add another account. So click on it, select Google, click on this create account option and select for myself. Now enter your name and click on next. Enter the date of birth and gender. Click on next. Now enter the new Gmail address. Then click on next and then enter the password. Again, click on next. Now it's asking you to enter the phone number. If you want to enter the phone number, then you have to click on yes, I'm in. Otherwise, click on skip. Click on next. Scroll down and click on I agree. And that's it, your account has been created. Okay guys, that's it for this video. And if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.